Hey guys, welcome to our HTML tutorial, as I said in the previous video. And so let's get into this. So first things first, open up your browser. Give me a second, guys. Oh no, don't see this code right now. I'm deleting it. Sorry. So I'm gonna refresh this now. Okay, so first things first, you need to download your your text editor, whatever you want. You can download Visual Studio Code, you can download Sublime Text, you can download whatever you want, text editor. If you have no idea how to do this, just go to your browser and search text and then editor and then search, and then you might be seeing a Sublime Text, Edit Pad, whatever. But for this video I will be using Sublime Text. Okay, here's my cursor. I'll be using Sublime Text. So usually you should save all your work. I've saved mine. So let's get into this. So first things first, I'm going to do doctype HTML. Doctype HTML. It's your choice if you want to write doctype HTML or something, because it's not important, but I'll be using it for this course. So let's do this. So now I'm going to explain you what a title is. Now you might be seeing all this text written over, like this text written at the very top tab. Or else, if you don't have if you don't have a title, then you might find out that this is the file that I saved. But the most important thing, if you want this code to get working, the most important thing is for you to write .html, or else your code is gonna run away. So let's get into this. So let's go. I want my title to be like my website, just for this tutorial, or every tutorial. It's just an example, nothing else. Then I'm going to have my paragraph tag. So what is a paragraph tag? I can tell you. For instance, like you might be seeing. Give me a second. You might be seeing pretty much like all of this text. It's a paragraph. Okay, so for instance, for example, okay, so I'm going to just for example a bunch of text. And then I'm going to Control C this, all of it. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it. Okay. Sorry, I'm taking it a lot of time. Okay, I think this much of text is okay. So when I go back, you might see the title of my website and all of this paragraph over here. Now you might be like, whoa, this is awesome, I would totally want to learn this. Then keep on watching this video, mate. Okay, let's get back to code. So now you might be like seeing like this text, and you might be like, they're also done by paragraphs, like all of this text. Well, that's also false. It is not done by these paragraph tags, because you might be seeing the difference of the size. This size is bigger than paragraph size. So you might be like, how are they even doing this? Well, it's easy. They use the h tag. Well, not a head tag. You used the head tag before. Well, usually it's h1. This is why I wasn't able to detect what I was trying to write. Now you might be like, why I'm doing an h1? Well, you might realize the greater the number, the bigger the high. The lower the number, the lower the high. So, for instance, let's just have to. Okay, this is okay. I'm just gonna give you an example to. Let's just turn this to h2, then h3. Oh no. And slash h3 and h4 and again h4 and h5 and h6. So something interesting about these header tags is some of the headings are way smaller than the size of these paragraphs. So let's refresh this, and you might be like, whoa, when you did the h1 is super big, but when you did the h6 is super small. Well, it's true. It's because of h1 and h6. It doesn't mean that you'll just, use the h1 for all of your paragraphs as well. Well, that will be a lot of tough times. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Bye.